Alright, so this company, ProTech, reached out and offered to send out a screen protector kit for my Jeep Wrangler JLU. I'm super excited to see what's in here, so let's get it unboxed. Let's just see if we can... Oh, crispy. Alright, so we got a bottle. And we got, what is this? It looks like we got a cloth and a, what do you call this? Like a squeegee thing. This is quite a fancy cloth. And then here we got the actual screen film, protection film. Alright, I don't really, Alright, here's two more. So this is for the gauge clusters. Looks like there's two of each. So if you mess up one on one of them, you have an extra. There's two of these and two of these. And then in the second one, we got what did it say on the packaging? This is a maintenance spray. So take it out. Oh, I don't think that's supposed to come out. Is it? Alright, so you got this spray. That's nice. Alright, so let's get out to the Jeep and let's get this installed. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the screen. I'm gonna get it cleaned up. Alright, that looks pretty clean. Now we're going to spray it down with this water. Alright, then going to peel off this. I'm going to set it down like this. And you want to make sure you get it nice and straight. And you're going to take the squeegee. Make sure it's straight. You're going to start wiping. so that we got that on. Then let's move on to the gauge clusters. All right, same thing with the gauge clusters. Clean it, spray it, apply it, squeegee it, wipe it. Let's get it wiped down. Off. That looks good. All right. I guess we'll start with the right side. Spray it. Peel off the film. There we go. All right. Take the squeegee. Squeegee it down. Squeegee. Alright, good. Dry and another dry squeegee. Good. Still a little wet. All right, that looks good. Now we're gonna do the middle. Same thing, just spray it down. Going to peel off the film. Alright, and once you get that on, get it in the right spot. That looks pretty good. Just give it a wipe down the middle, and then clean up the edges. Alright, something I will say about this one. You want to make sure that when you're applying the film, you slide it down in this gap at the bottom so you can align the top, because if you don't, it'll stick to the top of the clusters. But I'm also glad that there's two of each in there, so if you mess up, you're not screwed. Wipe it down, and then give it a dry squeegee. Alright. That's pretty good. Now, also the same thing on the other cluster. Spray it. Feel it. And apply it. Probably need some more water. You want to make sure you get these really wet so you can slide it around wherever you want. Get it lined up. Alright, right there looks good. Give it a little wipe to get it stuck. And then you're just gonna go down, around, and down, and around. This was the best one. Alright, and you're gonna do the same thing, just dry it, look for any bubbles, and do a dry squeege. And then wipe it. Alright, that looks good. Let's get the screens on, or the Jeep turned on, and see what it looks like. Alright, here is the clusters. Looks pretty good. There's the clusters, and then here's the screen. That thing is sweet. Your finger glides like butter. Super nice. Alright, that's the screen ProTech install video. You can use code AFFAT10 to get 10% off your order at screenprotech.com.